Boy stabs girl with knife after machete taken from him in first attempt. 2 killed in separate hit-and-run incidents in Clarendon. Body of a 62-year-old Clarendon man found with head bashed in. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 12-year-old boy from Oak Bay in Portland is now facing a wounding with intent charge after reportedly stabbing a 13-year-old girl in his community Wednesday morning. Reports from the Oak Bay police are that about 11 a.m., the boy allegedly attacked a 13-year-old girl with a machete. An adult intervened and disarmed the boy. The child reportedly retrieved a knife, which he used to stab the girl in her back. The police were called, and the girl was taken to hospital. She was treated. The boy was arrested and subsequently charged. However, his identity is being withheld due to him being a minor. He is now awaiting his court date, the police stated. A 34-year-old mother of 4 was killed in a hit-and-run along the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon on Wednesday. The news media also understands, too, that a man said to be of unsound mind was killed in another hit-and-run early Thursday. The police have confirmed that incident, but said the details were not readily available. The deceased woman in Wednesday's incident has been identified as Anne-Marie Beeson, also known as Stephanie, a vendor of Rules Pen, Palmer's Cross in the parish. The Clarendon police are investigating the death of a 62-year-old man whose body was found in his yard with its head bashed in on Wednesday in Alley District, Lionel Town. He has been identified as Derek Bandu of 5th Avenue in the community of Aledonia. More details to come following further investigations.